Todos si escuchen y repiten por favor. Ojos Locos. Tacos, cerveza, wings. Bikini Tuesday. Ooh. Lingerie Friday. What kind of place is this? This used to be Lucky's. When it was Lucky's, they threw me out of here. They didn't like me filming in there. So let's see what happens this time. It's a little, well, it's not real little because it looks like they've probably got over 100 rooms. And they're just off the I-15. This is Latino, meant for Latinos. Or caters to Latinos. Yeah, it looks the same as it did when it was Lucky's, actually. Except it looks like they expanded the restaurant. But, you know, look at these. They've got some really good slot machines in here. Oh, they improved this. Yeah, they improved this drastically. Ooh. Wow. This is beautiful. Yeah, those TVs are really nice. We got a whole bank of El Toro. Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, this is the first casino area, well, where you're playing the games where I have seen where you're not on carpet.